So let's meet Frenchie. She's our house hen, or so she thinks. And she thinks she should be able to come into the baby bed, which is just a catch-all at this point in time, and lay her eggs comfortably on a blanket. Yeah, so that's true, right? I wasn't lying about that, Frenchie. Can you explain to me why it is that you can't lay your eggs in the hen house with the rest of the ladies? Is there a reason you have to lay in here? Is it just more comfy? Yeah, okay. So I should get you a little blankie maybe and put out in your nesting box so you can lay outside like the rest of the chickens do? Frenchie? Why are you in here? Just to lay your egg? Okay. Thanks, Frenchie.